Linda Ora is marketed as a trendy online fashion store offering stylish clothing and boutique-quality apparel. But the real question is this website even real, or is it another online store that looks trustworthy until you place an order? Now, to be fair, not every unfamiliar clothing website is a scam. Many newer fashion stores are legitimate businesses that simply haven't built a large reputation yet. What it does well, the website looks professional. At first glance, the store resembles many modern online fashion retailers. The product photos are appealing. The clothing is presented with polished images that can attract shoppers looking for stylish outfits. Where the concerns start appearing, negative reviews are hard to ignore. This is the biggest issue. Multiple recent reviewers complain about poor product quality, sizing issues, and items looking different from the photos. Shipping complaints appear repeatedly. Some customers report delivery delays that were much longer than expected. The review profile is mixed at best. Trustpilot shows a relatively low rating with a significant percentage of one-star reviews. So, is Linda Ora even real? Short answer, yes, it appears to be a real operating website that ships products. But that doesn't automatically mean customers will be happy with what they receive. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.